Nimit. Welcome to my channel, Nimit from America. Today I went to library. I want to show this library to you. More videos like this, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's start our video. Now we are in the library. It's a very big library. We have every week borrow some books to read. Here you get all kind of story books, any kind you want. Now let's go to the kids area. See, this is the Scooby-Dooby book. This is the Blaze and his friends book. And those are other cartoon characters. This is the Avengers book with Batman on it. And that is the Thomas Train book. The green one. That's the Thomas Train book. Here you get all kinds of cartoon character books. Any kind. We sit here and read our favorite book. We're bored of reading our books. We can play some video games on this TV here. Here we have the computers also. Now let me pick some books. I picked these 3 books to read at home. Use these computers to learn and play. I played bow and arrow game for some time. Play the balloons popping game. As in this game, I practiced some tractions by popping balloons. What fun way to learn. What fun. This is the kids playing area. When you get bored, you can play in this area. You can also take some toys to home if you want. We can borrow some toys from the library. I'm forming a sentence by attaching those pictures together. See what I made. You wear a backpack, go to the car and then go to your school. I'm using a magnifying glass to see some insects really closely. See that part? It's insects and bugs. This is the magnifying glass. I'm seeing these insects through this magnifying glass. See? You use this magnifying glass on those little insects and creatures. They will look really big. See, that's a spider. That's a scorpion. Those are the frog's life cycle. First, the frogs start like little fish Then they grow their tails a little bit longer. The grasshopper life cycle. See, it starts like that small and grows like that big. Silkworm life cycle. It starts off really small and grows a little bit bigger. All audiobooks can listen them. All these are CD books. You can take them home and watch them on your computers. There are so many cartoon movies. This is the quiet study room. Don't want to get disturbed from some people? You go in that place and study. Here we do some activities. Behind me, you can see some computers that grown-ups use. This is some books section. See, they're all grown-up books. See, and these are computer books. Just see how many books are there. Lot of books. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Here books, there books. Come with me. I will show you some more books. See all the books. These are some magazines. Come, I'll show you some more books. We order some books from online. We can take them from here. Do check out. I'm scanning the books I've taken from online. Do you like my video? Bye. It's time to go home now. Share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.